enjoying the rain? Yeah, I guess I am.
I don't really like the rain. Any cold, wet thing or
Dirty-minded.
Nothing.
Oh my god.